Hello lovelies. It's been a while, hasn't it? For once. I'm not even gonna talk about the parade of misery that continues to be my life. That just more things keep going wrong, and at this point it's embarrassing. We're just gonna, for today, we're not gonna bother with that. But we're gonna open Spooky Box Club boxes, which is, I feel like the camera's too high. Okay, are we good? Hopefully. So, right, so we have two we have two Spooky Box Club boxes today, and we've got, you know, the usual, the purple, but I gasped when I opened this from its outer packaging. What is this? Like, don't get me wrong, it's like, I quite like it, but it was a shock. 69.70. Purple first, then the weird one after. So box 69 is Queen of Darkness. So we'll just pop that right open. Oh, okay, so we put this aside so we don't ruin any surprises, because we don't like that. So right on top we have a fabricy thing that jingles. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, cool. So I assume this is probably something like you hang on your wall, and it has three little like metal loopies, presumably to make it easier to do so. And I really like this. I wonder if there's somewhere in my studio that this would look good. Quite possibly. So that will be good. I need to get back to work on my studio. I've done like nothing on it this year, and that's a problem. So yes, this is very nice. I like this, and this will definitely find a home. Next up we have Queenly Headpiece jewelry. Oh, that is pretty. What have we got? It's got bats, and it's got like little like coin looking things, and stars, and a moon. Hopefully you can see that. That is really cute. I definitely want to experiment with that. That has me so intrigued. It's so like pretty. Ooh, okay, very nice. Okay. Oh damn! The old school lollipops are back. We've got what I'm assuming is a handmade gourmet lollipop, if it's the same as they used to be. And it's like a brown and pink one. Oh my god. The pin this month is pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh man, I'd kind of love this in like multiple different colors to like suit different moods, because this is gorgeous. Can we see how lovely this is? I sure hope so, because it is quite wonderful. I love that. Oh! So that's so cute. We have a little charm for the charm bracelets. I feel like we haven't had one of those in a while. But it's a little teeny tiny charm, and it is so freaking cute. Guys, it's a teeny tiny mummy. Just itty bitty little mummy, and I love it so much. That's so cute. Oh, it's a nose stud storage vial, and it includes a moon nose stud. That's cute. I used to have my nose pierced, but it closed, and I've been too afraid to get done again because it hurts. Also, if you don't have your nose pierced, then you can keep like other little jewelry bits in this, like little ear studs that like don't have a proper home, or like, I've lost my jewelry again, haven't I? Lip bars and all sorts of different little things, or just general knickknacks. But yeah, it comes with a little nose stud if you do have your nose pierced. I really do want mine done again, but it hurts so bad. Well, it's gone. Moving on, we have... Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, that's very pretty. Hold on. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's a necklace? I'm like, can you see the detail on that? That is so pretty. I really, really love that. I think that is gorgeous. My goodness. It's got like a little like gem, a little bat, little vines, a moon, a flower. Love it. All things that I enjoy. We have a Little Ghosties 2021 desktop calendar. Exciting! I can look at all the plans I don't have. I hit lockdown. Oh, but it's cute. Oh, this is super cute. I just looked through them all. Here is January. You know what? Trying to do this is really hurting my back, and it only is February. So we've seen January and February. Maybe I will update with these on my Instagram or something as each month comes along, but that is very cute. And then we have one more thing in the box, which is again in a little box, and it is, ooh, cute. Oh, so these are tiny little Ank earrings, and that is adorable. And like one of my favorite pairs of earrings was a little pair of Anks, but one of them went missing, and I still wear like the one that I have, but these are like that type of closure, I think, that, yeah, that like won't fall out of stretched ears and stuff. So I love that. Yes. Something that I really needed, and here it is. Okay, did we get everything? Custom made Ank earrings, yes. Custom made Little Ghosties desk calendar, yes. Custom made queenly headpiece jewelry, yes. Dreamy desert cobra enamel pin, yes. Everything's custom made. Spooky mummy bracelet charm, yes. Moon nose stud and storage vial, yes. Fringed moon phase wall hanging, yes. Oh, I forgot about that. That can go at my studio. Night queen cartouche necklace, yes. And the spooky box candy choice of the month, yes. Okay, so we got everything in that box. Now on to the weird box, which is quite heavy, quite weighty. Kind of bulging out there, thick. Ooh, spooky and cozy nights. That is exciting, and this is box 70, so yeah, let's open it up. What are you? Oh my goodness, okay. Oh my god, what is it? It's like quite big and heavy. Blanket? Oh my god! Oh, oh, it's a little like batty blanket, and it's so soft and silky and nice. Oh my goodness, how lovely. We are cozy, we are wrapped up, we are having a good time. It's a good start to the box. Okay, ooh, what have we got? I'm enjoying this already. What a nice blanket. And you guys know how I feel about blankets. Are these bookmarks? I feel like these might be bookmarks, and they're so cute. Oh, give it. They're both little coffins. One's silver and one's gold, and they both say, reading past my bedtime, so I assume they must be like little bookmarks. And those are so cute. And as I've said before, I always need bookmarks because I run out of bookmarks or I can't find bookmarks, and then I just mark my books with like candy wrappers or like an old receipt or a leaf, like a dried leaf that I find, you know, if I'm reading outside. It's just, I always need more of these basically. So that is good for the whole cozy vibe. Yes, yes. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, so what this is a cozy haunted mug cake recipe and gravedigger shovel spoon with added bone sprinkles. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh my god, the spoon is amazing. Are these both bone sprinkles? I don't know what, like I assume one of these must be the bone sprinkles, or I don't know if both of them are, or if one of them has something else. But the ingredients are 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk or milk substitute, 1.5 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. But I can't wait to show you the spoon. I just want to get through like the recipe first. I think it's all like different sprinkles as far as I can tell. So that's adorable. I really want to make this. And now let me show you so this is like the little thing it came in. Very cute, very cute. The spoon is like a little shovel so you can like dig the grave. That is so fun. Can I see it better if I take it out? What fun. I love that so much. That is such a fun, quirky little idea. Ah! Oh my god, weird coincidence. Okay, so what we have here. God, I wonder if you guys have those in America. Do you have Jammy Dodgers? I wonder like if you don't have Jammy Dodgers, do you maybe have like the same sort of thing but under a different name? But this is a pin that looks like a Jammy Dodger, but instead of a heart in the middle, it's like a little bat, which is so cute. I really love that. That is so adorable. I'm already thinking of like outfits that I could put that with because it's just such a cute little idea. And the reason I say it's a coincidence is because I've actually wanted to make like my own version of like Jammy Dodgers sort of, and it does involve a bat shape, but it's not exactly like this. So, but it's like, it's just cool that that's come up. But that is so cute. If you're American, let me know. Do you have Jammy Dodgers, or do you have something similar? Like, usually it's like a double layered biscuit, like with like some sort of jam in the middle, and it has like a little heart cut out, so you can like see the jam. Do you have those? Cute, okay. I love that so much, oh my god. Did I say biscuit? Because I'm gonna confuse the Americans. Cookie. It's like double layered cookie. Okay, we have another one of these lollipops, and this one is like red and purple. Sockies! We have some socks, and they're very cute. Oh my goodness. Look, little like purple socks with little moons and stars. That is so cute, and they just socks are something that I always need, so I'm very happy about that. And they match like whenever I go through my Pokemon phases. I'm wearing lots of purple. Now I've got little purple socks. Are we down to the last thing? I think we're down to the last thing. That looks cute. Hold on. Oh, okay, hold on. I just started humming something there, and I was like, why has that come into my head? Why am I humming it? And I've just realized, so let me show you this and I'll explain. It's a little flag! Look how cute, woohoo, yay! And it says, Solitary Society, and it has a little ghost, which is very cute. What I was humming, and me and Jake actually watched it together the other night, and I think it's like the first time we've watched it together, like in the entirety of our relationship, which is impressive, because in April we'll have been together for 11 years, which, don't even. The Rescuers. We both watched that as a kid, but we'd never watched it together, and we decided to, and the nostalgia that came screaming back, like every little noise, every little piece of music just like filled my heart. And I realized I still remember all of the words to like the little mouse song. And that's why I was just humming there. It's like R-E-S-C-U-E, rescuing society. And it's because of the society on here just apparently blasted that into my brain. I was just like, okay, so there's a tangent for you. Yeah, it was really fun watching that. We had a really nice time. Okay, okay, so we have the custom made soft and cozy minky blanket. Minky. But yeah, I've known people to use that as slang, so I'm like, ooh. But yeah, soft and cozy bat blanket, personal size, yes. Purple Moon and Star socks, yes. Custom made jammy bat biscuit collectible golden owl pin, yes. Custom made little coffin ribbon bookmark, Custom made mini solitary society felt flag, yes. Haunted mug cake recipe card, gravedigger spoon, and spooky mix sprinkles. And spooky box candy choice of the month suitable for vegans. Yes, we got everything! What a fun box! I really enjoyed that, especially like the blanket and like the little like shovel spoon. I think that was so fun. So yeah, very happy with that. And the pin! It's so cute. I want to put together like a picnic themed outfit, and I think like maybe this would be cute for that because it's like a little like food. I'm still trying to figure out like what all I want in this. I want like a gingham, like a picnic blanket looking like gingham skirt and everything. Just like, and like maybe like cherry earrings. I ordered fake cherries to try to make earrings, just all very picnicky, and I feel like maybe this would be cute. Inspired by, because I found like, if you follow me on like any other social media, I found a bunch of pictures from a like barbecue picnicky thing that we had back in 2012. So long ago, and yeah, I posted a bunch of like these pictures there. They're so old. And I forgot how fun that day was, and I was like, oh, picnics, and now I'm like really craving like a fun picnic when the weather's nice. Don't know who with, really, like other than Jake. I don't know if there's anyone else I could rope into that, but I really want a picnic, and I want to do like a whole picnic themed outfit, just really embrace it. So yeah, maybe this. Oh. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that I've been gone again. The past year has just been rough, guys. It's been so bad, and it keeps getting worse. And it's like, I don't know why, but I'm like embarrassed by it now. Like every time that I like come along and I'm like, hey, another terrible thing has happened. It just feels stupid at this point that there's still like bad things, and people are like, wow, like a lot of bad things seem to happen. I'm like, I know, and I'm like weirdly embarrassed by it now. But yeah, it's just like, it's just bad thing after bad thing, and I am trying really hard to get on top of it, but it is difficult. So yeah, but I'm trying. I'm hoping like we should hopefully be getting better weather coming in soon, and maybe that'll bump my spirits up a little bit. Probably not as much as it would under normal circumstances, because we're in lockdown forever and ever. It keeps getting extended. Like, it's like, oh, it was going to end in February, extended. It was going to end in March, extended. So I'm just assuming that this is life now. So it probably won't be as fun as it used to be when the good weather came. I'm hoping it'll like bump up my mood a little bit, let me get some stuff done. And yeah, but I'll have to have a proper catch up with you guys soon about like everything that's going on. The good and the bad, because there is good. Like I got a DDR pad. Right, I'm going to go before I ramble anymore. I'm going to figure out what other videos I have to record tonight. Strike while the iron is hot. So before you go, leave me a comment, let me know how you're doing, and anything else relevant to this video or otherwise. I just love to hear from you, especially when I've been gone so long. I miss you guys! If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I would love to see all your little thumbs. It's very cute. If you're new here and you enjoyed my rambling, feel free to subscribe. We would love to have you as part of the family. And finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon. I would love that. I would love you. Very, very useful. Very, very important. Definitely keeps me going. I certainly would have withered away and died without you all by now. So thank you so much to everyone who always supports me on there. You're wonderful. So off I go, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.